ayat, the companion of the Prophet ﷺ were being taught the proper manners that they should not raise even the volume of their voices in front of the Prophet, and the same rule applies to us when we hold a class of hadith in which we should be most respectful in the way of we talk or we say the hadith. It's just confusion or things like that. How terrible it is that shaitan keep us deceiving that such thing is so trivial and not a sin. But see how disrespect can cause someone to lose all his deeds. So we have to be very careful. And Surah Hujurat ayat number 3, إن الذين ينادونك من وراء الحجرات أكثرهم لا يعقلون. Translation: those who call out to you, O Muhammad, from outside their private apartments, most of them lack common sense. In this ayat, this is a common attitude even today, that people do not realize the religious scholar or to respect it and given time and privacy to do work which is beneficial to whole community. Everyone wants them to be a private counselor whom they can call at any time, day or even night, and they should attend to call there immediately. It is all done due to ignorance, but we should learn to be respectful if we are really Muslims.